Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. So, my buddy was actually just here with his F80. We tuned him on boot mode, stage 2. So he's out there having fun right now. I didn't get anything or any clips of that for this video. Just kind of did it for him real quick. But also we did a test fit of my J-style lip over there from Horizon Motorsport, so I'm going to be putting on my car. I still have my lip on there and everything. I haven't gotten started on that, but wanted to test fit it on his car just to get an idea, and I'm in love with the look, so we're definitely going to go ahead and get that installed. But in this video, we're actually going to be installing a slew of parts on my buddy's G80. So Impact is coming up, and he wanted to get his car ready and just get a few things. So we got a few things over on the table here. We're still missing one thing. He's actually coming with it right now. But from Horizon Motorsports, we picked up quite a few things. So we got the front brace here in carbon. We got carbon mirror caps. We also got Downstar hardware for the entire engine bay. We went with the purple and zinc hardware. Really, really cool. You also got a carbon fiber engine cover, which I'll show you once it arrives. But real excited to throw this stuff on. Figured I'd just do a video kind of installing all this for you guys and showing you the before and after. And yeah, so I'm excited to get it installed. But my buddy's on his way over right now. So once the car is here, we'll get started. We'll start installing some stuff. Alright guys, so my buddy showed up with his G80. We got a few parts, so here is the carbon engine cover that I was talking about. Absolutely beautiful. Obviously, as you guys can tell, the M logo, you can't sell it like that if it's not from BMW, obviously, so I believe you can transfer over the stock one onto here. It's just some tabs that clip in, and pretty simple and straightforward. But everything else, this is all from Horizon Motorsports. So we got the carbon engine cover, carbon mirror caps, the carbon front shroud, and then we got some Downstar hardware that I showed earlier. So I'm probably going to start off on the carbon mirror caps, just get that knocked out, and then we'll move on and get everything done in the engine bay. Alright guys, carbon mirror caps are installed. Fitment is very, very good. I'm actually really impressed. There's no crazy gaps or anything. Everything fits really nice. It fits the turn signals in there really nice all around. I'm pretty darn impressed with these. So I went ahead and did the passenger side off camera first just to make sure I was doing it right. Now just some tips. What you want to do is angle the mirror down, and then there's kind of two clips on the top up here, one here and one here, and you want to get a flat head and kind of angle the screwdriver in there, push the clips down, and then you can have a buddy kind of pulling this way, and then it pops off. And then what you want to do is use a T10 to unscrew the turn signal here, pull that off, and then you can transfer everything over, and everything just pops right back in. So really, really nice. Happy with the fitment. So let's move on to the engine bay now. All right, guys, we're going to jump onto the engine bay. So we're going to do the easiest thing first. That's the engine cover. The bolts right here, we're going to have to take off the strut that's going across it. It is a 15 millimeter, these bolts, so you just remove them. This simply just pops off, and then we're going to transfer over this badge as well. And that's pretty simple. And then we're going to remove all the bolts here anyway, because we got to do the Downstar hardware. But then we'll throw that on and then start doing the hardware afterwards. But yeah, let's get the engine cover on. Alright guys, we got the engine cover already. We transferred over the M badge. I also put some double-sided tape on there just because it was rattling a little bit and didn't fit as tight as it did on the OEM, but double-sided tape underneath, and then you just bend the little tabs back and you're good to go. Also transferred over all the little rubber grommets on each corner from the stock cover, and we can just pop it on. Alright, so we got the carbon shroud installed. Now I didn't put all the bolts back yet because we're going to be doing Downstar next. But yeah, it looks really good. Everything fit really nice. It's got the provisions for the latch cable and everything. Everything's lining up perfectly. So really, really nice quality. You transfer over these plastic clips from the stock shroud and they just pop right into the little provisions there and you are good. But hardest part was getting underneath here and getting the little pop clips that are going in this way. You kind of got to snake your fingers in there, but I managed to do it with obviously not having to take the bumper off, which is a good thing. But yeah, so let's start on the hardware and getting that knocked out. All right, so we're moving on to the hardware. It comes with a really nice schematic and printout of where everything goes. It's all in order and it's packaged the same way, so you kind of just go down the list and get it done. So I'm just going to randomly just start doing stuff. I'm going to start with number 1 over here, the fenders, and getting them knocked out, and I'll kind of just show you, maybe I'll do like a time lapse or something getting it done, and then we'll kind of show you the finished product. We got all the Downstar hardware on the car. It looks awesome. We are a big fan of the big guys up front here and on the strut brace and everything. I mean, it's so detailed. Everywhere there, we got it up on the latches up here, even behind there. Pretty crazy, the detail that goes into it. I love Downstar products, just the whole entire schematic and telling you everywhere you need to go, and there's no guessing and everything, and the nice picture that they provide, so you can just have a good time and not get frustrated in installing it all. But yeah, I mean, look how much better the S58 engine bay looks with the carbon engine cover. Got the shroud up here, and obviously the carbon mirrors over there as well. So we did quite a few upgrades to my buddy's G80 in a short amount of time. And I gotta say, I'm really, really happy with it. He is too. He was kind of hanging out with his 2 sons here, watching everything and kind of helping me along. He actually did the last bolt to put the cherry on top. So it turned out awesome. Really happy with it. Huge shout out to Alex from Horizon Motorsports for obviously helping us out and sending all the stuff on over, and Downstar as well. It really, really turned out awesome, and we're super happy with everything. So we are going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave links below for all this stuff if you guys are interested. We are getting back on the F80 very, very shortly, but I wanted to get this done for my buddy and get his engine bay looking beautiful and the way it should. So if you guys have any questions at all, be sure to ask them below. But in the meantime, keep it clean, keep it simple, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.